Okay, so now this is question 6, paper 2 mathematics. Lena ama triangles in 3 dimensions. So asibone ukuthi singayisolva kanjani ke lena. Now PQ and AB are two vertical towers from a point R, this point, in the same horizontal plane as Q and B. The angles of elevation to P and this point to P and A are theta and 2 theta respectively. AQR, it's this angle, it's 90 degrees plus theta, and then QAR, which is this angle, la phezulu, it's theta, and QR is the length, QR from Q to R, which is equal to X. So before we solve the problem, I think mention something like around the triangles in 3D. Bega triangle ARB and triangle PQR. Am right angle triangle. Ubona ngalo 90 degrees lo, ne? Wherever ubona a right angle triangle, know that ukuthi kwamele apply uloka theorem of Pythagoras and trigonometric ratios to calculate the angle or to calculate the length. Uyabona, kuzodepend ukuthi bazobe bakuphe information enjani, ne? Uma right angle triangle apply theorem of Pythagoras as well as trigonometric ratios. Check out this triangle AQR. This triangle AQR, this triangle AQR is not a right angle triangle. So in such a triangle, kwamele apply cosine rule or the sine rule and the area rule nangabe ufuna calculate area for such a triangle. So lana for the right angle triangles, in order to calculate area, you must use area equal to half base height. So the first question ke ifunde ngale ndlela ithi 6.1, determine in terms of x and theta QP and AR. So 6.1.1 sifuna QP. QP wethu sumfuna in terms of x and theta. So now back. QP part of the triangle le. PQR. Sifuna the tower PQ. And the triangle le, which is a right angle triangle, and a back. In this triangle, basipe theta is the angle as well as QR weight is in terms of x. Is for this side, and this side it's the opposite side to this angle, and QR is adjacent to theta. Yipi trigonometric ratio. Begala. Sinatheria trigonometric ratios. Sine theta is equal to opposite over hypotenuse, right? And then cos theta, which is adjacent over hypotenuse, and then tan theta, which is opposite over adjacent. So the question is, yipi trigonometric ratio involve the opposite side as well as the adjacent side. In this case, it's tan adjacent, opposite, and adjacent. So this trigonometric ratio is osebenza ukuze sikwazi calculate PQ. So sizoti tan ating rabe logo. Let's take this out. Now izoti tan theta is equal to opposite obani. Opposite is it's QP. Okay. Opposite over adjacent, which is QR adjacent yet. Adjacent side, opposite side. So it's opposite over adjacent. sifuna calculate our QP unknown, and then QR is given as X tan theta. QP kwamele simcalculate in terms of theta as well as X, so it's gonna be divided by 1, cross multiply. 1 times QP is QP, X times tan, it's X tan theta. So now QP weight in terms of X as well as theta. So next question it 6.1.2, calculate AR in terms of X and theta as well. So this is all together, man. 6.1.2 AR, this is on calculator. Alright, back. QP simthole ngayiphi triangle PQR. So it's gonna be in triangle PQR. It's important to quote the triangles where like which triangle to calculate a side or an angle or whatever. Né? So it's gonna be 6.AR. AR is AR now. AR part of the triangle as well as this triangle, but unfortunately for this triangle we don't have enough information as calculate AR. We are only given an angle, at least one side, maybe the opposite one or the adjacent one was given, then the calculation base over easier. So in other words, it has with this triangle. The triangle yes, so is 7, and it's not a it's not a what? It's not a right angle triangle. So one of the rules, which is sine or cosine rule. So in this case, there's only one rule is 7, which is the sine rule. We are given this side and its opposite angle. The unknown side and the unknown side AR has an opposite angle. So the sine ratio is 7. So the sine rule, it's the one is 7. So sizoti in triangle ARQ, in triangle ARQ, it's the triangle so 7. So what is calculate to AR? It's gonna be equal to, excuse me, it's gonna be equal to AR divided by the sine of its opposite angle. AR opposite angle yakhona ubani? AR opposite angle yakhona ubani? 90 degrees plus theta. So it's sine 90 degrees plus theta equal to the other ratio. It's what? It's QR divided by the sine of its opposite angle, which is sine theta. Now let's simplify. If we calculate to AR in this case, so all right, AR unknown, and then sine 90 degrees plus theta. It's what we call a co-function. Is all link a video in the description below of this video. A video explain a co-function. In this video I'm going to explain it, but the calculator, so 90 degrees plus in the second quadrant. Nyazi ninajwayele le CAST rule CAST. But for my co-functions, usebenzisa this one. You just flip sine no cos. So 90 degrees plus imthola in the second quadrant. And in the second quadrant, cos unjani or positive. The co-function for sine is what? It's cos, and the cos second function unjani positive. So answer it's gonna be positive theta equal to QR. Wait. QR, yes, QR is equal to X. QR is X. So QR over sine theta. Then we do what, dear man? We calculate for AR nangabe calculator uzothola something like x cos theta, right? When I multiply, when I multiply, when it's AR multiplied by sine theta. Then I divide both sides, you know, sine theta, cancel, AR is equal to x cos theta divided by sine theta. So AR is equal to x times cos theta all over sine theta. So now 6.2 show that AB is equal to 2x cos squared theta. Start to calculate our AR, right? Just like I said previously, the triangle label is called 7 because AR was unknown, AB as well as BR. The time is funu AR. This triangle is not called 7 but now says funa ubani, sifuna ukukhombisa AB, ne? Sifuna ukukhombisa AB which is equal to this. But now manje ngoba sesino AR, therefore angacalculate-eka ubani u-AB. So now let's show that AB is equal to this. So sebenzisa this right angle triangle. So in this case, so sebenzisa a trigonometric ratio. Which trigonometric ratio involve the opposite side to this angle as well as the hypotenuse. Opposite and hypotenuse is the sine ratio. So for 6.2, so sebenzisa triangle ABR, triangle ABR sizothi sine 2 theta is equal to opposite, which is AB, divided by hypotenuse, which is AR. AB sifuna ukuprova yena ngisho, but we do have ubani u-AR ngisho. But if just for simplicity na into esingayenza ke, let's cross multiply right away. AR times 1 times AB, it's AB equal to AR times sine 2 theta is going to be AR multiplied by sine 2 theta. Now AB is going to be equal to AR. Start to calculate to AR. AR wethu simthola ukuthi AR is equal to theta, so x times cos theta over sine theta. So let's substitute leyo value. AR is x times cos theta over sine theta multiplied by, now then I double angle. We need to simplify it. Kulama triangles lawo ama triangles in 3D, especially for the ones where we are required to prove, uzohlangana nama double angles, nama compound angles, nama reduction formulas, nama co-functions, uyabona? So just be aware of log. So this one singayi breaker or simplify this double angle assign as 2 sine theta times cos theta. Né? There's nothing new here. I'm not introducing anything new. It's just a formula for the sine double angle. So we simplify this double angle to this. Né? So this, now multiply another this one. This will cancel. This allow 2 cos theta and x. Now let's simplify again. AB is going to be equal to 2 times x times cos theta is cos squared theta. So now I answer it again. We just proved that AB is equal to this. So the last question, and then you common the question there. We're about to prove this, and then you substitute Leo. Then bazokupha ama-values in the last question where you need to substitute where you have proved. So I think yeah, question paper last year, mathematics paper 2 ngibonile this one. Question almost similar to this. But anyway, 6.3. 6.3, but it determine AB over QB. Ne? QB, not QB. AB, it's this. So it's going to prove that like a calculator AB over QP is equal to 2x multiplied by cos squared theta divided by QP. QP is calculating now. QP is equal to x tan theta. So lana it's x tan theta. This x cancel your x and then salo 2 cos squared in bracket theta. Theta is equal to 12 degrees. 12 degrees, so it's gonna be 12 degrees divided by tan 12 degrees. So let's calculate QP equal to now 2 times cos 12 degrees, okay, and then it's squared, divided by tan 12 degrees is equal to it's equal to 9, straight up 9. So yes, ama triangles in 3D siwasolva ngale ndlela le, but lawa siyaprova la ne kulama 3D triangles siyaprova ama sides nama angles. So yeah, thanks for watching. If you're new to this channel, consider subscribing. Nangabe enjoyile this video, share nabangani bakho please. Nangabe uyenjoyile futhi, leave a thumbs up. And thanks for watching once again. Thanks for supporting the channel. Ngizonibona kule video elandelayo. So peace.